Understood the assignment. I understood the assignment. I understood the assignment.
What's up, y'all? It's Haley back with another video. Today I am going to be doing this cute ombre ponytail, bob ponytail, like, you know, with the two pieces in the front. So if you want to see how to do this style, just stay tuned. I'm starting on flat ironed hair. It's not freshly flat ironed, it's older, so the little white flakes, I've already took a style down that I had used styling spray with and stuff. So yeah, I'm just about to go over it with this Murray's beeswax and lay it back down. And I am a natural. My hair is about 4A, 4B. I'm going to be posting more natural hair videos too. So natural girls, you can do this and achieve this style, okay? Y'all, this beeswax works a lot better when you put it in your hand and just rub it on. It just is better. I'm gonna comb it in, and I'm gonna redo the ponytail. So make sure, goodness, make sure everything is nice, sleek, and flat. And then I'm gonna go over it with my wand. This just kind of melts everything in so that it can be sleek. And so now I'm gonna go over it with my Gotta Be glue spray. Free spray just a little bit. I don't like mine to turn white, so I just spray it just enough to hold and comb that in before it dries so it doesn't turn white. So now you see me going in flat ironing and doing my baby hair. The flat iron just helps it lay the way it needs to lay and gives it that finished look. And this Edge Booster pomade is the lemon berry scent, and it smells like you want to eat it. It smells like candy. And for a second, I went ahead and slicked down the back, but then I realized I didn't like that, so I cut it off. So now what you want to do is go ahead and braid your ponytail down. And if your ponytail is shorter, you can just add you some braiding hair and just extend the braid. And then you want to go in with the wax paper and wrap the braid all the way to the end. And I'll just secure mine with a rubber band. This hair that I got, it was $12.99, super cheap. It's not really able to be curled on high heat. It says it can be curled on low heat, but once I chop it, it gave the look I wanted to. It was giving what it was supposed to give, okay? I didn't have to flat iron it. So now you want to take the glue, whatever hair glue you choose to use, and you can start it on the track, and then as you go up, you'll see me start to put it on the actual braid instead of on the track. It just makes everything easier. And you're going to wrap this all the way till you get to the base of the ponytail. And once you get there, you want to take a piece of hair from the back and you're going to spray it with your spray, comb it through, and wrap it around the base of the ponytail to give it that finished look. Once you get to the end, you're just going to take a bobby pin and pin it. So now you want to take a hair tie or a rubber band, and then you want to cut it at the length you want it. This is like my third time saying this. So you want to tie it where you want to cut it, and then you're going to cut it at the tie and pull the tie off. And when you're done, then you can take your clippers or your scissors and make it even. And here is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Thanks.
I understood the